Hey, what's up? Welcome to Tech Infinity. Today we are going to talk about the new Apple M1 chip, which is designed specifically for Mac. So let's get started. At the first look, I thought that Apple would make a massive jump in the efficiency or the performance. If the efficiency increased, you would have the same laptop, the same size, the same power, but double the battery. That would be cool, right? Or maybe if they did performance, it would be the same laptop, the same battery, the same size, but double the power. It is more awesome. I was curious which they would have picked, and then it turned out they did both. Until now, a Mac needed multiple chips to deliver all of its features, including the processor, I/O, security, and memory. With M1, these technologies are combined into a single system on a chip, delivering a new level of integration for more simplicity, more efficiency, and amazing performance. And with incredibly small transistors measured at atomic scale, M1 is remarkable. So they took 5 nanometer processors with 16 billion transistors, and 16 billion is a lot. M1 also features a unified memory chip or UME. M1 unifies its high bandwidth, low latency memory into a single pool with a custom package. As a result, all of the technologies in the SoC can access the same data without copying it between multiple pools of memory. So as you can see in the chip, the CPU, fabric, GPU, neural engine and the cache are combined. So this actually enables the system to work more efficiently and more powerfully. The 8-core CPU in M1 is by far the highest performance CPU they have ever built, designed to crush tasks using the least amount of power. M1 also features two types of cores, high performance and high efficiency. So from editing family photos to exporting iMovie videos for the web, to manage raw libraries in Lightroom, to checking your mail, M1 blazes right through all without blazing through battery. So it makes your CPU performance faster, and it has the highest performance CPU ever built. That's a big thing. So guys, this graph shows us the power consumption and CPU performance. M1 delivers significantly higher performance at a very power level when compared with the very latest PC laptop chip. At just 10 watts, the thermal envelope of a MacBook Air, M1 delivers up to 2x the CPU performance of the PC chip, and M1 can match the peak performance of the PC chip while using just a quarter of the power. So guys, it actually uses just a quarter of the power, and it actually 2x's your CPU performance. That means double the CPU performance and just a quarter of the power. So cool. PCs have to use a discrete chip to get great graphics performance, which consumes a lot of power. But M1 is different. Its integrated graphics bring the best of both worlds. A huge increase in graphics performance together with low power consumption, the result of years of true analysis of Macintosh. The GPU in M1 is the most advanced graphics processor ever built. With up to 8 GPU cores, M1 is capable of executing nearly 25,000 threads at a time. Teraflops to texture bandwidth to fill rate to power efficiency. This GPU is in a class of its own and brings the world's fastest integrated graphics in a personal computer. So guys, M1 has up to 8 core GPU and up to 25,000 concurrent threads. So guys, this graph may look very similar to the one we have discussed earlier, but this is the GPU performance as well. That was the CPU performance. At every level, M1 delivers significantly high graphics performance than the very latest PC laptop chip. For up to 2x the graphics speed, and M1 can match the peak performance of the PC chip while using just a third of the power. So guys, just a third of the power and 2 into graphics speed. That's a lot more cooler. The M1 features the latest neural engine. Its 16-core design is capable of executing a massive 11 trillion operations per second. In fact, with the powerful 8-core GPU, machine learning accelerators, and the neural engine, the entire M1 chip is designed to accelerate machine learning. Final Cut Pro can intelligently frame a clip in a fraction of the time. Pixelmator Pro can magically increase the sharpness and detail at incredible speeds, and every app with ML-powered features benefits from performance never before seen on a Mac. So guys, it is 15x faster machine learning performance and up to 11 trillion operations per second. So guys, Apple claims that the MacBook Pro M1 model can have 17 hours of wireless web browsing and up to 20 hours of movie playback. And the MacBook Air with the M1 chip has 15 hours of wireless web browsing and 18 hours of movie playback. So guys, now you can run your favorite iPhone and iPad apps on the MacBook with the M1 model. And guys, Apple has made M1 compatible with all of the apps Apple has, like Keynotes, Pages, or whatever you want. Actually, you can run anything on your Mac. Now, if you want some video games or anything. So guys, then there are the Mac Mini. They are also available with the Apple M1 chip, 8-core GPU, 8-core CPU, and 16-core neural engine. And then yeah, you can buy these two with the Apple M1 chip. Check the link in the description box and you will be navigated to this page. Guys, you can also get a MacBook Air with the M1 new chip, 8-core CPU, 7-core GPU, or 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU. So guys, it has the memory up to 16 GB and 8 GB. You can choose any, and the storage is 256 GB and 2 TB. Check the link in the description box and it will navigate you to this page. Guys, MacBook Pro will be Apple M1 chip on 13-inch, not 16-inch. So you can add memory up to 16 GB and the storage can go to 2 GB. You can check the link in the description to see.